We're now looking at the rear panel of the MIDAS PRO2 Compact. We'll start off with the really easy ones first. Up in the top left-hand corner, we've got a 4-pin XLR socket, which is for a gooseneck lamp, should you choose to use one. Down here, the diagnostics RS232 socket is just for the service techs. The MIDI in, out and through require almost no explanation, so I'm not going to give them any. Much more interesting, we now have the external clock connections for video sync and word clock. We also have AES3 clock in and out, and obviously you can also sync the console to an AES50 clock at any one of the 6 AES50 ports. Inputs on the console itself, we have 8 mic line inputs on the rear panel, 8 analog outputs on the rear panel, analog outputs for left, right and mono master outputs, analog outputs for local monitor A and local monitor B, analog output for the talkback. We then have 2 pairs of AES3 inputs and outputs, giving us 4 inputs on AES3 and 4 outputs on AES3, which can be any connection on the console. Talkback microphone inputs, then we have 6 AES50 ports. Each AES50 port is 24 inputs and 24 outputs to and from the console network. So this gives you a total of 144 inputs and 144 outputs, plus the stuff on the local panel. Dual redundant removable power supplies, Ethernet control port for connecting your Clark Technic Rapide or your PC computer or your wireless access point for the iPad remote, 2 USB ports for external pointing devices or computers, and a DVI video output if you wish to remote the screen output on another monitor.